Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. It is Wednesday, December 27th. I got to tell you, it doesn't feel like a Wednesday because obviously Monday was a holiday. But yesterday's volume was so pathetic that it felt like it was, I don't know, it felt like it was a half day instead of a full day. But that's the way the week after Christmas is, and it is what it is. So we just have to sort of adjust to that. What do we have on the docket today? We have a 10 a.m. number, Richmond Manufacturing Index. That's the only number we have today that's of use. It is a medium impact item. So remember, the Richmond Manufacturing Index covers the southern United States. And kind of gives us an idea of what the southern states are doing manufacturing wise. So it is an interesting, an interesting piece to add to the economy of what is going on. Moving on, looking at the daily chart. Yep, we had an up day yesterday. We broke the previous week's high, and now we're into a new high. It looks like we're gapping up very slightly. What can you say? The Christmas rally is in full effect. The big boys are not playing because they're still on vacation, and everybody wants the market to go up. So, of course, it does go up. And I can't make an argument for it to not go up. Where could it go? Easily could come up to this 48.59. On the downside, we might be able to get down to that low volume node at 47.78. That's about the range, plus or minus, that you're going to get. I don't think we're going to see any kind of major movement any way, shape, or form until after the first of the year when the big boys come back from vacation. That being said, taking a look at the inventory. So inventory was positive, correlated. When it's correlated, it means the market's acting like it should be. So nothing to talk about or look at there. Looking at the intraday, one thing that jumps out at me is the 48.21 to 48.30. That is only 9 points. That is extremely, extremely low volatility for the overnight session. Remember that average runs between 20, 21, maybe even as high as 23, and here we're at 9. So obviously nothing going on in the market overnight for sure. Where do we have intraday support and resistance? We have to scrunch this thing up so we can see some of the horizontal lines here. For support, we have 4808, 4800, and maybe some around 4785. Resistance is actually kind of hard to find up here. We've got some around 4866, 4886, and around the 4900, 4910 levels. So there's not a lot of resistance going upwards. It's getting farther and farther, fewer and farther between. Support, lots of support, of course, as we backfill. We go up and we then backfill. That being said, Stock Trader's Almanac is 52.4, 52.4. So not a huge positive bias, but a positive bias. And that's all I've got for you today. Hope you have a great day. See you guys tomorrow. Remember to subscribe, comment, and like. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com. Thanks.